أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
قال ما منعك ألا تسجد إذ أمرتك قال أنا خير منه خلقتني من نار وخلقته من طين.
He said, "What prevented you from bowing down when I have commanded you?" He said, "I am better than he. You created me from fire, and you created him from mud."
قال فاهبط منها فما يكون لك أن تتكبر فيها فاخرج إنك من الصاغرين.
He said, "Get down from it. It is not for you to act arrogantly in it. Get out. You are one of the lowly."
قال أنظرني إلى يوم يبعثون.
He said, "Give me respite, until the day they are resurrected."
قال إنك من المنظرين.
He said, "You are of those given respite."
قال فبما أغويتني لأقعدن لهم صراطك المستقيم.
He said, "Because you have lured me, I will waylay them on your straight path.
ثم لآتينهم من بين أيديهم ومن خلفهم وعن أيمانهم وعن شمائلهم ولا تجد أكثرهم شاكرين.
Then I will come at them from before them, and from behind them, and from their right, and from their left, and you will not find most of them appreciative.
قال اخرج منها مذءوما مدحورا لمن تبعك منهم لأملأن جهنم منكم أجمعين.
He said, "Get out of it, despised and vanquished. Whoever among them follows you, I will fill up hell with you all."
ويا آدم اسكن أنت وزوجك الجنة فكلا من حيث شئتما ولا تقربا هذه الشجرة فتكونا من الظالمين.
And you, Adam, inhabit the garden, you and your wife, and eat whatever you wish, but do not approach this tree, lest you become sinners.